All right. What's your favorite part of dealing with Trick Tools?
That I get to work with people.
Favorite Trick Tool you own?
The multi-tool belt sander.
Your favorite food when you're hangry?
I'm always hangry. Barbecue, anything.
Describe Bruce Van Zandt.
His aunt? What did you just say? No, we run this. You keep this going.
Said describe Bruce Van Zandt.
Oh, you said it so fast. I said Bruce's aunt. I don't know Bruce's aunt. Oh, he's a nice guy. I can still out-talk him any day.
And any words of encouragement for aspiring fabricators?
Don't do metal art. See how serious I am right there? I don't need competition. There's a lot of people out there that are really good at it. I don't want any more out there. So just don't do it. Just do fabrication, build stuff. Just, yeah. Try using that one, buddy. I don't know. This is going to be a testimonial right here. Oh, you're recording. Okay, let me tell you about this bad boy motor right here. I know for a fact that you can go on vacation, do something minutes before you go on your vacation, accidentally leave it on for 48 hours while it's running, but because it has a little cooling fan, will not overheat. And when you come back like Monday morning, she's still good to go.